Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Where today guys, I'll be showing you how to refund a Stripe transaction on Payhip. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in payhip.com. Then you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Payhip if you haven't already done that of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see in the top side of the screen, we have products, store, analytics, marketing, customers, and account in the top right corner. And in the middle of the screen, we have the store essentials. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and refund a Stripe transaction on Payhip. So first of all, go to the top side of the screen and click on your product. So here. Then of course, as you can see, you'll have a lot of products if you have some, but I have only one which I can go and use. You need to go and click on edit next to your product. And then log into your Stripe account and navigate to the payments page. Then locate the payment you want to refund, click on the refund button next to the payment, enter the full or partial refund amount, optionally add a note to explain the reason for the refund, click refund to complete the process. Then let the buyer know that the refund has been issued. By following these steps, you can easily refund a Stripe transaction on Payhip. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you have, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.